Element 3D Review. Is it better to get the Perpetual or the subscription? So Element 3D is a plugin developed by videocopilot for Adobe After Effects that allows users to import and animate 3D objects, apply particles, effects, shaders, lighting, and reflections, and even embed 3D models directly into the After Effects compositions. So let's talk about its pros. So for the Perpetual license, you can just have Xtory allow you to buy once and own the plugin, which means there's no recurring subscription cost if you stick with that version. So according to the Copilot's site, you can purchase it for around $200. Now it's also ideal for motion graphics, workflows inside After Effects where you want to rapidly integrate 3D elements without switching to a full 3D software. And many users on forum praise it speed and ease of use. It's also best to get the perpetual ownership because you can continue to use the version you own indefinitely. Now for the cons though, there is one major issue. There have been limited updates, and for example, some users on Reddit say it has not changed at all in the last 5 years. So if you buy the perpetual version, you may miss the future feature updates unless you pay for the major version upgrades. Now, it's also best for motion designers or visual effects artists who are primarily using After Effects for 3D objects. And overall, there's not really any recommendations for getting a subscription, and it's best if you're just a solo motion designer or a small studio with predictable needs of your value cost control and perpetualize its approach of Element 3D, which will make sense. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications